I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your personal information on Instacart, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart website on your computer. This is where you'll start the process of updating your information. Step 2. Sign into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Instacart link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Go to account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by a profile icon or your name. Step 4. Select personal information. In account settings, look for the option labeled personal information or account details. Click on it to view your current information. Step 5. Update your information. Edit the fields you want to change, such as your name, address, or phone number. After making changes, be sure to save them by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. If you forget to save, your changes won't be applied. Updating your personal information on Instacart is straightforward. Just follow these steps, and you'll be all set in no time.